Okay, in case you forgot from class, quick reminder so you can do this at home. Um, if you want to do something, you need an event. So click on events. I'm just gonna use my arrow keys. I'm gonna do when, and I'm just gonna change this to up arrow, and then when, change this to down arrow. I'll just do those two for now. And then I am going to do motion. I'm gonna have, when I do the up arrow, it's going to move. I'm gonna change that to 20 steps. Then when I do the down arrow, it is going to rotate 180 degrees. Okay, so now I've got that, and just going to go from there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and blow up my screen here. And then what you could also do is record this and share it with your classmates or teachers. So if I click my Screencastify, I can record it. So I'm going to press record. Okay, it will ask me what window. You just click your window screen, and then press share, and you're off your recording. So you can kind of do a playthrough. My son loves to watch playthroughs on Minecraft, Nintendo Switch, all those things. He likes to watch the playthroughs. Make your own YouTube playthrough. I can discuss when I hit the up arrow or when I hit the down arrow, right? You just have to make sure that you hit the green flag first. And there's me rotating 180 degrees. And then me, right? And then rotate, rotate, rotate. I'm just using my keys. But you can create a quick playthrough. When you're done, you're going to hit the pause button and press stop. And you have completed your quick video. And then you can watch it if you want to. It'll mute. If you want to title it, you click up there and title it. Okay. And then what you can do from here, if you go to your Google Classroom, and if your teacher made you a place for you to turn it in your classwork, you just click on the assignment, click View Assignment, click Add or Create, go to your Google Drive. It will be one of your most recent files. It'll show up right here. There it is right there. I know it's a video because it has a little video icon. I just double click on it. There it is. And when I'm done, I press turn in and press turn in again. And you've turned in your playthrough of whatever you coded for class today.